Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is the sixth video in the Trials Bike Conversion series. I just got done lacing up this wheel. Pretty much, thank God, I did not have a video camera rolling while this was going on because it was a complete shit show. I have never ever laced a wheel before. I had no idea the intricacies that goes into lacing a wheel. I have no idea why the concept was so difficult to me, but it was. I ended up getting all the spokes in the wheel and all that good stuff, and I'm going to have to go through the process of truing it all up, I'm sure, and I'm waiting for the bearings to come in so I can press bearings into this thing to take the next step. But yeah, all the spokes are in this thing, and hopefully by truing this thing up, we'll have a nicely running wheel. This is the stock wheel for the CT90, I think, through 9 or whatever, and it's stock 17-inch wheel. But yeah, if you have an opportunity to lace one up, pass it up, unless you like masochism. Yeah, I had a difficult time with it, and I thought I was going to be intelligent and lace up one side of it and then flip it over and lace up the other side. Yeah, well, that really doesn't work in this situation. You basically have to pick a part and then start and then go all the way around. There is no easy way of doing it. I resorted to basically counting and marking. I don't know if you can see it on camera or not, but I got green and red marks all over this thing to indicate what spokes are going which direction, and all that good stuff. And even with experience in mechanical devices and stuff like that, lacing a wheel was nothing like I thought it was going to be. And I'll be honest with you, if somebody will lace a wheel up and sell it to you for $150, take up the offer. Don't waste your time unless you know you're proficient at it or it comes easy to you. Me, my time's more valuable than messing with this. It really was aggravating to do, but it got done, and I'm stronger for it or whatever. But it's one of those things that just because you can do something doesn't mean you should. Anyways, this is by no means going to stop the project, but damn, I mean, it put a halt on it there for approximately, all said and done, probably about 4 hours it took me to get this all together, because put it together probably like 3 or 4 times by the time it's all said and done. So not the most cost efficient use of my time, but it'll get done. So lesson learned on this one. Sorry about the rant, but coming in hot still. I'm a little pissed off about how this worked off still, but it's together, and in the next video we'll be a lot more cheerful, I'm sure. Thanks for watching.